was diagnosed with atrial fib several years ago, and I originally had a heart ablation in 2015. And I thought everything was going great with that, and it was for about 3 years. And then just recently, in the last few months, I had about 4 episodes of atrial fib. I was sound asleep, and I woke up with my heart basically pounding at about 126 beats per minute. It can be quite frightening, and you have to kind of allow yourself the moment to kind of take a deep breath and understand that this will, eventually go back into rhythm. Well, Dr. Danielian is my cardiologist, and he explained to me what the EP was going to do in the surgical procedure of a heart ablation. And what they typically will do is go through your femoral artery and also your carotid artery, and they will also do a preliminary test of a certain chamber of your heart which can mask a very small but deadly blood clot. They have state-of-the-art technology here at Las Vegas Heart Associates, and he was able to show me a video right there in the exam room and answer any of my questions that I had about this procedure and any updates that they had done for it, to also reassure me that I was going to be well taken care of, and I was. I was quite happy with how I received the TLC care at Mountain View Hospital. He's phenomenal. He listens to the patients. He's very compassionate. He's very engaging. He looks you in the eye. He's very knowledgeable. If a question is asked and there is not an immediate answer, he gets you the answer. He is what I call a rare gem in the field of cardiology. He's an incredible human being. Recovery's been excellent. I've gone to see Dr. Danielian and checked in with him in regards to my heart health and the process of healing. I've made sure that I've gotten really good sleep and eaten a clean diet, heart-healthy diet. So I'm ready to rock and roll again.